Today, why business owners and self-employed professionals buy life insurance. We all know that. You've got no time, no interest, and no idea. That's what many business owners and professionals say when we ask about their tax and estate planning. Of course, you don't. You're too busy working in your business to spend any time working on your business. The tyranny of the urgent, those things we must do to stay successful in business, and that overwhelms us, and we can't get to the important things that help us benefit the most from our efforts. So, embedded tax bills amount, we get further behind in our planning, and our cash and legacy are eaten away unnecessarily. What if you had a simple step by step process that made it easier? What if you had a trusted advisor to lead the process? Remember the old pre metric saying? By the yard, it's hard, but by the inch, it's a cinch. Would it help to have someone lead the way and help you maximize the value of your assets with less effort? Call me. Let's talk and get your planning in order. I'm Gakhar. Thank you.